Hello friends, welcome back to New Roots Hair Clinic. Today we have a case with us of grade 3 baldness where we planned for near about 3000 grafts. So what is the special in this case is that when we plan for grade 2, grade 3 for hairline hair transplant, so most important thing is the hairline. It should be complete natural, undetectable. Then and then only you get the face value for your hair transplant. You can see we have designed accordingly so that he may get bouncy look because he does his back brushes for his hairstyle. So he wanted very much natural and dense hair look, because when you do back brush of your hair, most of the times we see the gap in between the hair. So we have to arrange the density in that manner so that the density also will not be hampered if he does the back combing or back brush for his hairstyle. So you can see we have given him the bouncy look for his hairstyle, and he has achieved it completely, and there is no any gap in between. Whenever the sunlight passes or even the hair are wet, you can see there is no any complaint that anyone can recognize. Nicely the single grafts are placed in front hairlines, first two hairlines. Not only single hair grafts are important, but the thin hair quality should be present of that single grafts. Most of the time when we take the single grafts but from upper portion, from a donor area, we don't achieve that much of naturalness for our hair. But we achieve it when we not only select single graft but from the lower portion of your donor area, which resembles to your temples and very much of your thin hair. So the result is in front of us, and you can also observe that the density in this area, it is completely matching to their existing hair. So this also point is very much important. Almost 6 months are completed for his hair transplant for 3000 grafts. You can see the very much naturalness in his hair transplant. I think when our hair transplant is successful, when it is undetectable or natural. So we will ask patient what were his expectations and his experience he will share with us now.
तर जेव्हा म्हणजे मला 6 महिने कंप्लीट झाले, तर तेव्हा मी म्हणजे माझा लुक बघितला आणि तो म्हणजे फुल म्हणजे असं नॅचरल वाटत होतं. म्हणजे लोकांना समजलं पण नाही की मी हेअर ट्रान्सप्लांट केलं आहे. बहुतेक वेळा काय होतं की आपण जेव्हा ट्रान्सप्लांट करतो तर मध्ये मध्ये असे गॅप वगैरे दिसतात आणि ते लोकांना समजतं की याने प्लॅन केले. पण जो माझा लुक आहे तो म्हणजे खूपच नॅचरल होता आणि मी खरंच सरना धन्यवाद देतो की त्यांनी खूप म्हणजे मेहनतीने आपलं हे प्लॅन केलं आणि सक्सेसफुल झालं आणि एक नवीन जन्म झाला मला असं वाटतंय. कारण की पुन्हा अशी तेच म्हणजे केस पुन्हा भेटणं हे मुश्किल आहे आणि सरांच्यामुळे ते साध्य झालं. तर मी सरांचे खूप धन्यवाद मानतो.
So these are the expectations of all the patients, that they want the natural result for your hair transplant, not only hair but natural result. So we complete that motto with all our techniques and all our practices and experience from last 8 to 10 years that we try to deliver to our patients. So this was the case for today. Hope all you are best and good. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.